Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level quick in Blox Fruits. To begin your journey, focus on the first sea quests. These initial tasks provide a solid foundation of experience points. Always aim to defeat enemies that are close to your current level. This ensures efficient experience gain without unnecessary struggle. Don't forget to activate any experience boosts you acquire, whether from a powerful fruit or a helpful accessory, to significantly speed up your early progress. This strategy will set you up for success. As you progress into the mid-game, your focus should shift to the second sea. Here, engaging in raid bosses offers a substantial boost to your experience points. Consider joining a strong crew. This allows you to participate in challenging sea events and take down powerful foes more effectively. Furthermore, prioritizing the awakening of your fruit abilities will significantly enhance your combat effectiveness, making your leveling journey much smoother and faster. These steps are crucial for continued growth. Reaching the late game means venturing into the challenging third sea. Your primary goal here is to challenge the highest level bosses, as they provide the most experience points. Identify and continuously grind specific enemies that offer a high experience per kill ratio. Don't hesitate to invest in stat resets. Optimizing your build for maximum damage output will make your grinding sessions incredibly efficient. This strategic approach ensures you are always gaining experience at the fastest possible rate. To maximize your leveling speed, always activate every available experience multiplier before you begin a grinding session. This simple step can significantly boost your gains. Consider utilizing a fast-travel fruit, like the portal fruit, to quickly move between different grinding locations, saving you valuable time. Remember, consistency is absolutely key. Dedicating regular, focused play sessions will help you achieve the maximum level in Blox Fruits much faster than sporadic play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.